Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Revolut to your US bank account, detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from your Revolut account to your US bank account, first, open the Revolut app on your device. Log in with your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Home tab. Look for the Accounts section and tap on it. Select the currency you wish to withdraw. Now, tap on the Withdraw button. Next, choose Bank Transfer as your withdrawal method. In the Destination Account field, select your linked US bank account. If you haven't linked your account yet, tap on Add a Bank Account to start the process. Enter your bank account details, including your account number and routing number. Make sure to double-check the information for accuracy. Once your bank account is added, return to the withdrawal screen. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Review the transaction details carefully. After confirming the amount, tap on Confirm Withdrawal. You may need to complete additional verification steps for security purposes. Once verified, your withdrawal request will be processed. You will receive a notification once the funds are on their way to your bank account. Typically, it may take 1 to 3 business days for the funds to appear. Be sure to check your bank account regularly during this waiting period. If you encounter any issues, consult the Revolut support section for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.